Hi, thanks for joining me. We are presenting you with a survey. Hope you'll be able to answer some few short questions about your needs if you were to come to Poway Adult School for the court reporter training program that we are offering a second cohort for in the near future. We're looking at spring of 2021 or fall of 2021 as being some options. You'll see some days of the week and times of the day that you can select in the survey to let us know what would work out best in your life. To give you a little background about the course, we're currently running it. We started off with 25 eager students this fall of 2020. And because of the overwhelming response about the course, we are looking at starting a second group. It takes about 18 to 24 months to get through the entire training program, which includes 6 individual modules, each 11 weeks long with little breaks in between, and then a 60-hour internship at the end. All of that prepares you to sit for the National Court Reporter exam and hopefully enter an amazing field where the career forecast is bright, according to ONET. And San Diego County is starting salary at about 83,000 county courthouse where they are reporting a need for court reporters. So we hope that this will help you make a great decision. Please feel free to reach out to me by email. Again, my name is Denise McAndrews. I'm a career education specialist at Poway Adult School. That's my dog in the background growling. Sorry about that. Thanks for filling out the survey, and we'll look forward to you reaching out to us.